In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Blender on your Windows laptop or PC. For it, just go to any browser and you need to search for Blender download and then press enter. Then you need to go to this link, blender.org. Just click here, and I will also give this link in the description. So after coming to this link, you need to click here, download Blender, and here you can see other version over here as well. So we are going to directly click here and it will start downloading. And there you can see it is around 328 MB, so it will take some time. Right now I will just fast forward the video. And here you can see the download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to download it over here. Just double click on the downloaded file. Then here you need to click on next. Then you need to accept the agreement. Then click next again. After that, it will choose a path. Just keep the default path and click on next. Then click on install. So it will start installing Blender. And this will take a few seconds. Right now, I will just fast forward the video again. And there you can see the installation is complete. So right now, we can just click on finish. So in order to open Blender, just go to your Windows search option, then search for Blender. There you can see Blender. Click on it and it will open Blender. Just keep English language, and if you want, you can also change the theme from dark to light. And I will keep it everything the way it is, then click on continue. And there you can see. So if you want, you can make 2D animation or VFX, whatever you want. So I hope you now able to install Blender on your device. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.